Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. Now we will see progress check in page number 247, trigonometry. So we have already seen 17 examples and now we will see progress check. First one, the number of trigonometric ratios is, there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. Next, second one. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. You have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Third, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So this is nothing but of the form a plus b into a minus b. What is the identity we have? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we get secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. Fourth one. Cot theta plus cosecant theta into cot theta minus cosecant theta. Same thing. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. But what do we have in the identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So here it is of the form cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. So take minus common out. You will get cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So which is equal to minus 1. Next. Cos 60 degrees sin 30 degrees plus cos 30 degrees sin 60 degrees. So we need to find the value of this. So for that, the trigonometric ratios, what do you have? You need to mug up only the first one, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. This is for sin theta. So similarly, you can write cos theta and everything. So first is cos 60 degrees. So 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30. 1 by 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is sin 60 root 3 by 2 and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So you have 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 by 4. So which is equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. 1 is your answer. Next. Tan 60 degrees into cos 60 degrees plus cot 60 degrees sin 60 degrees. So for tan, what is the value? 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and undefined. Now tan 60 is root 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 60 is nothing but tan 30. 1 by root 3 into sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. This is the answer. Seventh one. Tan 45 degrees plus cot 45 degrees plus secant 45 degrees cosecant 45 degrees. So we need to find the answer for this. Secant 45 into cosecant 45. Tan 45 is 1. Cot 45 is also 1. Plus secant 45. Secant is nothing but 1 by cos 45. So it is going to be root 2. Cosecant 45 is nothing but 1 by sin 45. So that is also into root 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2, which is equal to 4. Eighth one. Secant theta is equal to cosecant theta if theta is equal to 45 degrees. Cot theta is equal to tan theta if theta is equal to 45 degrees.